Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 2000 Pontiac Trans Am. This is definitely one of the nice cars that have come through Skyway Classics, featuring the black on black exterior with the ABS Pontiac wheels and black tires. As you also can see from the interior here, it is a T-top edition vehicle. One of the pluses to these older cars. Going into the inside now, you can see is perfectly mint. As soon as I walked into this car, it was like feeling a nostalgic moment in my life. Actually, as you can see, the leather seats are in perfect condition. It is an automatic on the floor. You have your old-fashioned radio, old-fashioned cluster. As you can see, there are also no codes showing. Best part about it is it only has 35,000 miles on it. And since it's about, going on 25 years old, it is definitely in good shape. One of the best things especially is the dashboard. A lot of times when you see these kind of cars, they're either cracked in the middle, people poorly replace them, but this one is just right. And right now, as we're coming to a stop, we'll give you a little bit of a brake test. I do want to mention that when we were inside the glove box, we did find a lot of receipts, a lot of inspection papers on a perfect passing note. This car was definitely really well taken care of. And in fact, now that nobody's around, we're going to open it up a little bit. Underneath the hood, you have the 5.7 liter. Shifted very good. You can hear it's very healthy. Our RPMs are just right. Speedometer is working just as it should. And that 5.7 will definitely last you a long time if you take care of it. But yes, this is definitely a right kind of car for you if you're looking for a Pontiac Trans Am. And yeah, as for now though, we're just going to get it safely turned around and up on the lift. So please stay tuned to see the underneath.